Former Air Force captain whose family believes she was sexually assaulted in Afghanistan killed herself with her own handgun. Air Force Reserve Captain Jamie Brunette, she was from Tampa, Florida. She was found dead on February the 9th by Tampa police in the back of her locked sedan near her apartment. It appears the 30-year-old killed herself with her own handgun, which she purchased about 6 months earlier, according to the police. News shocked her family as Brunette, who left active duty after 11 years serving. She left active duty last June and joined the Air Force Reserve, had not shown any signs of being suicidal, and was in the middle of opening her own new fitness business.